Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So congratulations, all right. If you are a shareholder of Alibaba, okay, the price has gone up a lot lah. And I can tell you with the latest results that they just released, I can tell you, all right, they are on the way. Yeah, they are on the way, showing progress. That they are winning China's AI race already. Yeah, and I will show you why. Okay, in this video lah. Yeah, so the prices went up. Okay, in the US when they just released the results lah. Yeah, in the US side, all right, went up almost 30%. The Hong Kong Stock Exchange went up, wow, 18%. Yeah, so good for you guys. Okay, I'm very happy for you guys. If you have been holding this company, all right. So in this video, okay, I will share with you their latest Q1 2026 earnings update. Then moving forward, I will share with you also how to make money from Alibaba. All right, that means should we continue to hold? Should we continue to buy more? Hopefully the information here will help you make your own independent decision. And of course, okay, I have some other extra information that I would like to share with you guys on Alibaba. All right, so let's get started. And before I move forward, okay, let me do a self-introduction. My name is Daniel Lim from Better Investing Academy, and I have over a decade of experience already investing in the stock market. And BIA, okay, is an expert, okay, and we specialize in helping people build wealth safely and consistently from stocks. And this is our community member, okay, from both Singapore and also Malaysia. And as you all watch this video, right, my YouTube, I already have more than 30,000 subscribers, and I'm now currently leading a community of investors in my Telegram group here. All right, so you can see here, for Alibaba has went up quite a lot. Okay, the main reason why is this. Finally, you can see Alibaba now the whole media started to focus on what? Focus on their cloud and AI business already. See, cloud and AI, cloud. You can see all of these words here: cloud growth, revenue growth because of cloud, boost cloud business. You see, previous, if you've been following Baba for many quarters, they have been whacking Baba, say the slow growing e-commerce competition very intense, so the price has been dropping a lot. Now they start to focus on the cloud business already. Now, if you have been following me, I've been talking about Alibaba since last year, and I've been telling you guys to focus on their cloud business already. You want the stock price to go up, right? You can see, I have proof. 2024 December, I already mentioned, you want the stock price to go up. When it will go up? If Baba can show that they can re-accelerate their growth to 10 or 15% per year, they can re-accelerate back. And the most importantly, their cloud business must grow faster. Now you can see already they have been growing fast, accelerating. It's just that right now, the market only realizes it. That's why when we position earlier, that's where we get the benefit right now. All right, so they are late to the party, we are early, and now we just enjoy the ride up. Okay, so if you want to watch and know more about Alibaba, I already mentioned about their cloud business since last time. So these three videos, like this one, the number 4, 5, 6, this one, right? I recommend if you want to know more, you can watch these three. I have been mentioning, okay, like since 3 months ago, about their cloud business. The potential is there. It's growing very fast. It's only a matter of time the market start to catch up with it. And I think finally the market right now start to realize the potential of their cloud business already. Yeah. Okay, so let's get move forward. Okay, let's move forward to their earnings update. All right. So results very good. Now you can see very funny. Some stock investors they don't really know Baba's business, right? They were like, stock price went up 18% because of 2% revenue growth. Well, there are other things, okay, why the share price go up. Firstly is Alibaba don't really only grow 2%. Okay, that's because if you remember, they dispose a business, these two businesses here. But so the management said if, okay, you include this, they actually grow by 10%. So technically speaking, all right, they don't really grow 2%. If you include these two businesses from last time, all right, they are growing at 10%. Yeah, so it's really, okay, accelerating already, not bad. All right, so moving forward, like for example, I shared more in detail in my Telegram group here. Yeah, and the result here in 31st August, I straight away share all my views inside here. You can see, right? Like for example, I want to show this one. Yeah, so you can see the e-commerce here grow at 10%. All right, but the one I want you guys to take note of, like I said, is this cloud intelligence group. Growing at 26% already, and this is the one fastest growing currently right now in their whole business segment. And sooner or later, I tell you, you can see here this business. Can you see here 4.6 billion US? You can see their international business only 4.8. Now the cloud business is 4.6. They will be overtaking this international business sooner or later already. I tell you. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So and why I tell you that this cloud will be overtaking soon. Okay, you can see why. Okay, hold on. Oh yeah, not this one. Later I will share more. Yeah. So let's go through the how to say the financials first. Let's go through the financials first for you guys. So this is the financials, okay, of Alibaba. Yeah, you can see, well, they here show at 2% growth, but you know they grow more than 10%, right? Now, here seems quite lumpy. You cannot see the real progress. So I will show last 12 months for you guys. Now you can see quite clearly already. Okay, Alibaba, yeah, okay, has been slowly growing, okay, every single quarter right now is very, very good. So you see, the e-commerce side, we all know already, okay, why the price go down and stuff because of very low growth and stuff. So the main focus on Alibaba right now is not really on their Taobao and Tmall group. Okay, very single digit growth, although accelerating a little bit, okay, but not so impressive. Yeah, this one is what? The international e-commerce. You see, previously grow fast, then they are growing slower and slower already. So this business side, perhaps the international side, and it couldn't really compete well. All right. But the one that I want you guys to take a look is this one. Okay, their cloud intelligence group revenue. You can see since last time, I already told you guys already, their business here is starting to accelerating. It was only at growing continue here. I take note of Alibaba already. That's why in my video last year, I start to cover Alibaba. Yeah, so 7%, 13, 17, 7, 26%. So this clearly, the business not only growing, but growing at an accelerating rate. And I tell you, there are more runway to go. Yeah, there are way more runways to go. Yeah. So these are their numbers. And about the balance sheet, I can tell you very, very strong. Okay, a lot of assets. All right. Then this is their cash. Okay, this is the liability. So you can see because of their cash position, later I will go further. Okay, I just want to tell you their balance sheet is very, very strong. Okay, because they have a lot of assets, okay, and then their current ratio around 1.4, cash ratio 0.4. They have been operating it at this ratio for many, many years already. Yeah, so it's very, very solid. Their fortress, I got no complaints for that. Now, Alibaba, you can see, this is their free cash flow, operating cash flow. All right, so this one, okay, maybe a bit lumpy, right? But let me show you the last 12 months will be better. Okay, easier. So you can see, now you can see much clearly already that Alibaba is a cash generating machine. Yeah, they can generate a lot of cash, and they are left a lot of free cash flow. It's just that you can see for the past 3 quarters here, why there's a lot of negative and the free cash flow dropping. It's not because the business cannot generate cash. It's because they do a lot of capex. So the capex is because of this. Can you see? Yeah, see? Because you see the net cash provided by operating activities and the free cash flow here is because why? Because they are increasing. Because there's a decrease in free cash flow is because they increase their cloud infrastructure expenditure. So because of this reason, it drops, right? Makes sense because they are investing for the future. Yeah, so I have no complaints for that. So this is the numbers for Alibaba. Currently all okay lah. Now, so you see, currently you can see AI and cloud is currently driving Baba's next growth already. So you can see the CEO mentioning Alibaba has 2 historic opportunities. Okay, and one of it is AI and cloud right now. Okay, and they already even announced 380 billion over the next 3 years to build their cloud and AI infrastructure. Yeah, so currently Alibaba also have the world's 4th largest in Asia currently, right? A leading cloud infrastructure and blah blah blah, all of this So in short, currently they are a leader currently right now to provide this cloud infrastructure for companies, okay, especially in China. So they are now announcing a very big capex over the next 3 years to start building the infrastructure. Okay, then of course currently they have increasing demand. So cloud segment grew by 26%. As you can see, it was accelerating already, right? And the AI revenue, impressive, triple digit growth as AI demand continues to grow rapidly. Why? They are seeing increasing demand of compute, storage, and other public cloud services to support AI adoption. And then they will say they will continue to invest in customer growth and everything to maintain their market leadership. Currently, right now, in China, Alibaba's cloud, the cloud data center, they are currently number 1. Yeah. Okay. Now, this one I think I shared just now already. Just to mention to you guys, they will continue to invest in AI and cloud. Okay, our commitment of renminbi 380 billion technology investment reflects our long-term ambition to build the infrastructure. So in short, they will become like what Microsoft and Amazon will be in the US. Yeah, so they are now leading to start building this already right now. Okay, so you can see why this cloud business will be getting more and more important for Baba's business. That's because of this. Okay, let me share with you okay, my Telegram here. I think I shared inside this very important chart. Yeah, okay, well, might as well I just mention here to you guys like, yeah. Yeah, okay, maintain triple digit growth, 8 consecutive quarter already. You see, for a company able to grow triple digit for 8 quarters, clearly it means two things. They are demand, and then Alibaba's product works and give results. Otherwise, they won't be able to grow that much. Okay, and then they will continue to invest okay, because they already anticipate customer growth, okay, or business growth in this segment already. Okay, right. So this is the one I want to show you guys. You can see Alibaba's cloud revenue at that time in Q1 2025, right? Revenue growth was 6%, and it was only like 10% of the total revenue. But you can see instead of accelerating growth 6, 7, 13, 18, and 26, this latest result, you can see the percentage of the overall revenue also growing already from 10, 12, 11, 12.7, and then 13.5. So that means you can now see this cloud business will get more and more important, okay, for their business. Yeah. Okay. So next, all right. So how to make money from Alibaba right now? Okay, if you're watching this video. So before I move forward, okay, currently you can see already in my there's nothing much to say really, okay, for this quarter, because I want you guys to stay focused on their AI and cloud already, because the market, why the stock price go up is because of this. Right, this is the potential that will further accelerate Baba's growth. Their e-commerce side, currently is still growing fast. Okay, but it has been stagnant for quite a while already. But the contributor, the potential contributor, is this segment, and that's why people, when the market saw saw this one let me show you this one, start to accelerate already. All right, that means clearly they see this will be a very major contributor. Like for example, this one, we're getting to contribute more and more of the revenue already. So the market start to see the potential. But if you watch my video since last year, then you will have known this already, because I've been mentioning this since last year. Okay, so good for you guys. Now, so how to make money from Alibaba here? Of course, before I move forward, again, if you like to get this kind of information, very instant updates that I share to my subscribers here, you can subscribe if you want, because sometimes I take quite some time to make videos, right? But I will post instant updates for you guys. My views, of course, internal information, everything here for you guys. Yeah, if you want this kind of information, this kind of updates, definitely, you can join. It's free. You can just click the link down below. All right. Now let's move forward to the next one. Now this is more. I think this segment here will be the most important. Okay, in this video, I will teach you guys how to see opportunities. Okay, and how to generate returns that's higher than other people. Now, when you want to make money from the stock market, now not only from Baba, of course, typically on other stocks, you need to have what I call second level thinking. Now, this is what I mean. Second level thinking means you must be able to see and act differently from other mom and pop retail investors. Now, don't be like mom and pop retail investors. Go around, find stock tips, see what guru buy, see what other people buy, more popular one, they chase that stock, see the stock continue go up one, then they buy, then go up 10, 15%, 20, sell, then find another stock again. So don't be like them. Okay, you watching my video here, I want to educate you guys, and upgrade you guys to next level investors. All right, so if you become like them, you will have average behavior, then you will have average results. When I say average, doesn't mean average returns positive. No, if you lose money, you also lose money. That's what I call average. All right. The only way for you guys, you want to make returns, is to be a contrarian investor. Okay. And that is like this contrarian investor. The best time to buy, is when the stock price crashes. It means undervalued. A simple concept, but quite hard to implement, because a lot of people outside there, they see price crash, then they compare the previous price. Oh, let's say from $20 drop to 10. Oh, then they compare last time. Wow, now $10. Last time 20. Wow, 50% discount. Okay, I can buy. Okay, don't do that. Because you see, a lot of people make the mistake is they buy a stock that drops when the business also drops together. When the fundamentals are dropping, then the stock price drop is justified. That's why a lot of people lose money. It's a value trap. They buy, price that goes down, then the price never even recover. So they lose money. But what we want to find is to find businesses, where they keep on going up, or there's a potential for recovery one in the future, but the stock is temporarily damaged or temporarily go down. So that's what we call undervalued, because the value is here, the price is here. That's why it's under the value. Now you understand this, right? Okay, so Ultimately, why we focus on this, like that, okay, the businesses is getting better and the price crash, right? Because we believe in the future, stock price will definitely converge and match the value. When I say this one, the price here will converge and match the value here over the long term. Definitely one. It's just that we do not know when. So ultimately, we want to make money from the stock price appreciation. The stock price appreciation is when the price start to converge with the value of the company. So when you want to do that, you must be able to find clues of future business recovery or even the strong growth. Now, if you have been watching videos of my Alibaba videos, you can see I've been showing you guys, okay, and clues of potential business recovery. I think for 3-4 quarters, you've seen my video, I said, hey, the Baba's business have a chance to recover, and their AI and cloud business will be their contributor. At that time, the market never even realizes it. All right. And now you can see this time, they all highlight their AI and highlight their cloud growth already. That's why now I also make money. Later, I will show you my portfolio. Okay. So once this happens, okay, institutions or even the mom and pop investors, they start chasing after the price already. Okay. They will buy and then push up the price later. Okay. So what I want to tell you guys is this. At that time when I tell you, okay, when we go and research and invest in the stock, right, we found strong evidence already, right? So at that time, then we can start to make the decision already. The best time to make a decision is when you have 70% of the information. Because you see why I say 70%? Because we saw clear, strong evidence that the business will recover, but it haven't recovered yet. Right? There's still some unknown in the future, but we are fairly confident. So that's why we have 70% of the information is more than enough already. Why? Because if you wait for 100% confirmation, it means someone else already decided. That means everyone in the market saw it already, and that's when the price has already went up. And that's when you miss the boat already. Right? So that's why we want to catch it. We are able to take a look, find clues and future business recovery, strong growth that the market haven't seen yet. Okay, but we have the informational edge. You watching my video, I've been giving you a lot of informational edge about Alibaba already for the past 2-3 quarters, if you have been watching that. All right. Yeah. So at that time, we roughly has 70% of information ready. Now this quarter, fairly confirmation ready, fairly confirmed ready the market. That's why the price start to rally already. All right. So what I want to tell you guys is the remaining 30% of the information, okay, the a little bit unknown one, I tell you, it will rarely change the core decision, okay, of your that you want to make. But you must understand this. The delay in taking action can cost you the entire advantage of acting first. So that's why when you say you want to invest in undervalued stocks, right? Here, you have roughly around 70% of the information. But if you want to wait 100%, that's when the price is already rallied one. I tell you, you won't be the one catching the price one. It already went up, okay, everyone will start chasing the price already. So if you delay, then you will cost you the entire advantage. That means the price appreciation. When the price start to converge, you will miss out on this. Do you understand that? Okay. So ultimately, when you want to make money, is you need to position yourself before the market discovers and confirms the potential of the company and be confident on the company already. So this is why we must find information that the market doesn't know, and we need to act differently than them. And one clear example, definitely, I have to use Palantir because a lot of you know Palantir, right? So when you can see this price here, it was flat from here to drop to here. It was flat for 2 years. All right, people hate the company, and price dropped 70%. Okay, but okay, BIA and our community, we have been keep on digging out information. We saw potential. We know the price will recover because the business will come in the future. In the government contracts, the commercial contracts, their AI technology is there already. It's just that it will come in the future. So that's why the market rallied after that. But when the market rallied already is when the market already confirmed. Okay, they confirmed and confident already in this stock. That's why the price went up. Right. But you want to make money is when this period here, when you have around 70% of the information, but fairly confident, okay, that the business will grow. And that is how you make money. And of course, that's how BIA are able to help our investors to make money. So you can see here, okay, based on my portfolio. Okay, for example, Palantir here, I kid you not, my average price on Palantir was $28 here. Now it was 15. Right, when the average down was 15. As the price go up, the business got better. I also averaged up. Yeah, so it become 28. All right, so that's why I can get 454%. The majority of my returns come from this stock. And then I, of course, slowly trim down, slowly sell, okay, until it consists of around 5.5% of my position. Because I'm fairly happy already, okay, with this return, and it's quite overvalued, not quite, very overvalued already. Okay, and I shall leave it another topic okay, about Palantir, right, and my decision on why I need to do this. Okay, so I reallocate to another stocks. I go and find other companies to make my return. Like for example, you can see like Shopify. Okay, Shopify again. Okay, the same idea. Right, we are able to find undervalued stocks. Okay, and then generated 71%. Baba. Okay, Baba, you can see here. My cost price 115. Okay, and then now went up, I can profit 20% already. So technically, okay, I'm quite happy. Not really 80 at that time, but I'm quite happy when I got it at 115 because it was quite really still very undervalued currently right now. And as time goes by, okay, I see Baba continue to execute. Okay, if I can see the business really got better, okay, I don't mind adding more at a higher price. All right, provided it's still fairly valued or undervalued at that time. So I was slowly at no problem. Yeah. Okay, so like the example, this one, Shopify at that time, if you still remember the tariff drop, right? Here. This one I got that's how I got 70%. Because at that time, we know information already about them. We know the business recovery, just that the market just panicked suddenly. And then I decided to buy. You can see around 80. And now I shot up. Okay. Before the, the correction here, the maximum I got was 90% profit. Okay, so that's how you generate higher returns than other people. Don't be like the mom and pop investor, go around, go stock tips find guru and then chasing after stocks that went up. You won't get good results on. Okay, so extra information. Let me tell you this. Now, Alibaba, they besides the AI and cloud, they have actually two more growth drivers. They will further accelerate Baba's revenue. Yes, okay, they have two more. And so far, the analysts, they do not know this yet. Yeah, okay. And then in my next content that I want to share with you guys, okay, is how to analyze whether Baba's stock price will go up even higher. What is Baba's true value? How high can they go? Okay, what is the real stock price that Baba is supposed to have? Okay, we know how to calculate. Okay, so that means you need to know the latest valuation. So all of these okay, will help you make decision whether should you buy more of Alibaba or it's time for you to sell now, or you still want to hold. All right, now because of this information here, talking about the price, the potential return and stuff, right? YouTube is something very sensitive. Okay, they sometimes they block my video when I share this kind of content, so I really cannot share. So I have to only share it in my Telegram inside there. All right, like here. So like this one here, and like how I write here right? So this kind of information on this content, okay, I will share it in my Telegram. I think in the next few days, okay, or next week. All right. So if you're watching the video, okay, do join the Telegram because I will share my view on these three points here that I want to share with you guys. This one. Okay. Yeah. If I make video, sometimes YouTube they block it. I cannot post it up. Yeah. So sharing in Telegram will be much easier for me also. Yeah. So you want to know this? Okay, do join the Telegram. Okay, and I will share with you guys. Yeah. Okay. So I guess that's all already. So I hope you guys benefit from Alibaba, and there are more growth to come. To be honest, currently because their AI and cloud business will be the one growing bigger and bigger percentage of the revenue of the business Yeah. And of course, okay, I look forward to share with you guys. Okay, there are two more growth drivers here. Okay, inside my Telegram community Okay, so see you in Telegram, and of course. Thanks for watching, guys. Okay.